Hi guys, welcome to the Lucidity TV studio today. I'm here to present you Extendable LED interior lamp LUXTENSION. LUXTENSION equals to Lux plus extension. Let me introduce you to this outstanding and unique product. Thanks to the modular design, everyone can install and disassemble very quickly, which means LUXTENSION is very user-friendly. Besides, there's a PIR version available. The only thing you have to do is change the power module. Then you can switch to the PIR version immediately. There's a saying, united we stand, which means unity and collaboration brings power and strength. Same as LUXTENSION. You can create a powerful light beam by connecting the lamps up to 6 units at a time with only one power input. The simple installation method lowers labor cost. The modular design reduces the inventory cost too. The slim and flawless white appearance make it perfect for vans, trailers, RVs, and so on. I'm sure that you'll be amazed by LUXTENSION after mounting them. LUXTENSION Extendable LED Interior Lamps number 22795 is compliant with EMC R10 regulation. Second, it's a surface mount, no panel cutout required. Third, the SMD LED provides better shock and vibration resistance with longer lifespan. Now you know the LUXTENSION interior lamp from Lucidity. Business and innovation evolve to simplicity. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Lucidity.